Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm John Tucker, along with Paul Sweeney. I'm filling in today. And Nora Melinda. You know, Nora, you're going to take a look at some of the stocks under the hood right now. I peg you for a Frosted Flakes kind of girl.
That's interesting. Way back when, but I'd say it's a little bit too sugary for me now.
Okay.
Can't do it. But we do have WK Kellogg, which is ticker KLG, and they are buying Ferrero. And they're actually...
Ferrero's buying Kellogg.
Thank you for that.
There you go.
Ferrero's buying Kellogg, my mistake there. So that's a really big deal that we're seeing. And this is going to be for $23 per share. We're seeing shares of Kellogg, though, ticker KLG, soaring as much as 31%. They're heading for their biggest single day gain ever. So we're really seeing the market rallying behind this idea. The deal is essentially expected to close in the second half of this year. And then we have Lazard acting as a lead financial advisor and Bank of America as the co-advisor to Ferrero here. So
nice.
Interesting to see some M&A.
What would like a Lazard pick up in a deal like this, do you suppose?
They're on the sell side, you get paid more on the sell side than you do on the buy side. So, I don't know, 3, 4, 5%.
Suffice to say, the investment bankers are going to make a lot of money.
Oh, yeah.
Bankers get paid,
having a good time here.
Get paid. MA-Go is the function. It's one of my favorite functions on the Bloomberg terminal because it breaks down all the M&A trades and who gets advised and who pays and all the valuations.
Money flying everywhere.
Yep.
Speaking of flying,
That was a good one. That was a good one. I liked it. We're seeing Delta shares, ticker DAL. They're rising as well, up as much as 13%. And this is the most intraday since March. And this is after the company issued an upbeat outlook. Essentially, the CEO is saying that travelers are coming back. I don't know if you guys fly Delta. I know you're a United guy here, Paul. Yeah. But they're saying that travelers are coming back. Corporate travel is also strengthening. And consumers have become a little numb to the ongoing trade disputes. So it also did raise its profit outlook for the year. So this is some great news out of the company. And we do see the street also rallying behind this stock here.
All right. I got one more for us?
One more.
This is a company I've never heard of.
Me either. I had to do some research here. So MP Materials, that's ticker MP. It is a rare earth minerals company. And this is interesting because they actually have something in Mountain Pass, which is essentially the only operational rare earth mine in the United States right now. But this is a really big deal because they secured a $400 million equity investment from the U.S. Department of Defense. And this is to build a new plant. This will be with a $1 billion financing commitment from both JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs. But we're seeing shares soaring like crazy right now. We're seeing the stock up as much as 60%. That's the highest intraday level since 2022. And also, much like Kellogg here, it is soaring for its biggest intraday gain ever.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.